대화 2.
이 사람이 리안 씨 여동생이에요?
네, 맞아요. 제 여동생이에요.
여동생이 정말 예뻐요. 지금 몇 살이에요?
20살이에요.
여동생은 남자친구가 있어요?
아니요, 없어요.
예쁘다. 예쁘다.
To be pretty. To be pretty.
여동생이 정말 예뻐요. 여동생이 정말 예뻐요.
My younger sister is very pretty. My younger sister is very pretty.
멋있다. 멋있다.
To be cool. To be cool.
제 남자친구가 멋있어요. 제 남자친구가 멋있어요.
My boyfriend is cool. My boyfriend is cool.
키가 크다. 키가 크다.
To be tall. To be tall.
키가 작다. 키가 작다.
To be short. To be short.
제 친구는 농구 선수예요. 키가 커요. 제 친구는 농구 선수예요. 키가 커요.
My friend is a basketball player. He is tall. My friend is a basketball player. He is tall.
이 아이는 5살이에요. 키가 작아요. 이 아이는 5살이에요. 키가 작아요.
This child is 5 years old. He is short. This child is 5 years old. He is short.
재미있다. 재미있다.
To be interesting. To be interesting.
친절하다. 친절하다.
To be kind. To be kind.
영화를 봐요. 아주 재미있어요. 영화를 봐요. 아주 재미있어요.
I am watching a movie. It is very funny. I am watching a movie. It is very funny.
수피카 씨는 친절해요. 할아버지를 도와줘요. 수피카 씨는 친절해요. 할아버지를 도와줘요.
Sapika is kind. She helps a grandfather. Sapika is kind. She helps a grandfather.
똑똑하다. 똑똑하다.
To be smart. To be smart.
활발하다. 활발하다.
To be outgoing. To be outgoing.
제 동생은 똑똑해요. 수학을 잘해요. 제 동생은 똑똑해요. 수학을 잘해요.
My brother is smart. He is good at math. My brother is smart. He is good at math.
저는 활발해요. 운동을 좋아해요. 저는 활발해요. 운동을 좋아해요.
I am active. I like exercising. I am active. I like exercising.
얌전하다. 얌전하다.
To be introverted. To be introverted.
부지런하다. 부지런하다.
To be diligent. To be diligent.
동생은 얌전해요. 책 읽기를 좋아해요. 동생은 얌전해요. 책 읽기를 좋아해요.
My younger brother is introverted. He likes to read books. My younger brother is introverted. He likes to read books.
리안 씨는 낮에 일해요. 밤에 공부해요. 아주 부지런해요. 리안 씨는 낮에 일해요. 밤에 공부해요. 아주 부지런해요.
Rihan works during the day. He studies at night. He is very diligent. Rihan works during the day. He studies at night. He is very diligent.
날씬하다. 날씬하다.
To be skinny.
뚱뚱하다. 뚱뚱하다.
To be fat.
이 여자는 키가 커요. 그리고 날씬해요. 이 여자는 키가 커요. 그리고 날씬해요.
This girl is tall. And she is skinny.
저는 조금 뚱뚱해요. 매일 운동을 해요. 저는 조금 뚱뚱해요. 매일 운동을 해요.
I am a little fat. I take exercise every day.
Lesson 9. Grammar 2. Now, we've seen this before. That's right, it's A again. Last time, we used it as a preposition with time words. This time, we'll use it with a place. In English, we can say, in the office, on the desk, or to the market, using 3 different words, in, on, and to. Good news! In Korean, those are all the same. Office A, desk A, and market A. So let's check. And make sure you read the Korean sentences, not just read the English sentences, because this is a good time to practice your reading skills as well. In other words, A is used after a location noun to tell the location or the place where the subject exists. It is also used to tell the direction or the destination of the action with the verbs 가다 to go and 오다 to come, etc. Let's hear an example.
리안 씨는 지금 사무실에 있어요.
Rihan is in the office now. Good. What word is used for A in English? In. Where is Rihan? In the office. Can you say that in Korean? In the office? 사무실에. Good. And it's used with 있어요. It's used with the be verb. It means she's just there. Let's hear another example.
책이 책상 위에 있어요.
The book is on the desk. Good. Where is the book? 책상 위에. Good. In English? On the desk. Right. And what's the verb? 있어요. The book is just there. Let's hear a final example.
저는 내일 시장에 가요.
I will go to the market tomorrow. Okay, good. Where is A this time? 시장에. Great. What's that in English? To the market. You got it. What's the verb this time? 가요. Right. It means we're moving in that direction. We can use a with the two kinds of verbs. Verbs that are an action in a direction, like to go and to come, or with a verb like 있어요, meaning it's here. It's in a place. Great. So we learned a in two contexts. The first one is with time, and the second one is with a place. Have you got it? Good.